In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed in Canva, which is essential for ensuring your designs look professional when printed. Let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. Once you're there, locate the login button in the upper right corner. You'll need to enter your credentials to sign in. If you're new to Canva, you can quickly create an account, but for those of you who already have one, just log in using your preferred method. You can choose to do this with your Google or Facebook accounts, or stick with an email login, whichever is most convenient for you. Once you've successfully signed in, the next step is to start a design. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu symbolized by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this to expand the menu options, and then click on Create a Design. Canva will present you with a variety of templates to choose from, suitable for different types of projects such as posters, business cards, or social media graphics. Pick one that fits your needs, or you can start a new design from scratch if you're feeling creative. Now onto the main focus of our tutorial, enabling the bleed feature, which will prevent those pesky white edges that can show up after your artwork is trimmed. Navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen, select Settings, and then choose Show Print Bleed. Once activated, you'll notice a dashed line framing your design. This line demarcates the bleed area, indicating where your design will be trimmed. With the bleed now visible, it's important to adjust your design to fully utilize this space. Drag or resize your background elements so they extend beyond the dashed line. Doing this ensures that there won't be any unintended white gaps once the printed piece is cropped. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to download your creation. Go to the Share button in the top right corner, choose Download, and make sure you select PDF Print as your format. Be certain that the option Crop Marks and Bleed is checked before you hit the Download button. This will include both the bleed area and the necessary crop marks, ensuring a polished and professional look for your printed materials. And there you have it. You've now successfully added bleed to your Canva design. This small but crucial adjustment can make a world of difference in the final product. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create flawless print-ready designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.